What's up, everyone? We're back at it again in the Fusion Garage. Today we are gonna wrap the roof of my Civic. Check it out right there. Add a little bit more videos to this of wrapping. So just another part 2, wrapping the Civic. The vinylfrog gloss metallic midnight gold. Yes, sir. Well, if you didn't watch the last video, we did a wrap reveal on this. Looks good. I love how the color is turning out. So I got a lot more videos to throw out. I'm gonna order clear tail lights. We're gonna try to do the chasing, retrofit, engraving on it, some crazy stuff. So if you guys are not subscribed right now, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. It'll help us bring out some more content for you guys as we build in all our cars, customers' cars, show you guys some DIY tips, just basically everything we love to do. So before we get started, we're just gonna prep the roof, clean it out, 70% alcohol all around. And I'm gonna install a light on the top right here. Don't mind the walls, we just didn't finish our little back shop back here, so we didn't finish painting it. We had that side painted right there. But we're gonna install this light right here. The last time we were wrapping the BRZ, we could not see. So install this light right on top. Give us some more lighting right here. We're gonna wrap this roof. More videos will be added on, probably fenders next. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you guys for watching.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. Shelby Drive, look alive.
We're gonna wrap the passenger side now. I already prepped it up, clean it up with a wet rag and 70% alcohol all around. Make sure you get all the inner, because wherever it's getting tucked in needs to be clean. So everything, clean this inside right here too. I did on both the fenders, so when I do the tuck in, this is easily removable like that. And the good thing is I already cut this one, so it's not going to waste that much material. But the trick I use for the fenders is, so first I'm just going to measure the length I'm going to do it, right? So you're going to have this super long piece going all the way on top. So what I'm going to do is just position the piece going down, cut this area, and it's going to get flipped so I can use it for the other side of the fender. So that way I'm not wasting material at all. And then when I measure this piece, obviously it's going to go all the way down from the pillar, all the way down to the end of the trunk. Then I cut the pieces up so we could do the door separate. And then don't forget to leave that bottom piece, because the bottom piece is going to be one piece with the skirt. So we're going to cut all that material and start wrapping passenger side.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma...
Alright guys, this is what we got done on the Civic so far. We took about a week off. Unfortunately, I caught COVID, so I had to relax and rest, so I couldn't work on the car. But it is almost done. This car would have been done if I didn't get sick. But yep, COVID is still out there, guys, so be safe. But check this out, guys. This is vinylfrog gloss metallic midnight gold. It's coming in clean, probably cleaner than when we did the BRZ, but the BRZ was a rush job. We had nothing to do because we had to finish before that Spokane Anaheim show, but it is looking clean. I love the color. My new kit is coming. Stay tuned on that install, and everything's gonna go match finally. I don't think these gray wheels are gonna match. I might have to get these faces redone. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm thinking about maybe a gloss bronze, and maybe some gold hardware on it. So maybe it'll match with the midnight gold on the Civic. It looks clean, guys. So one more video after this. We're gonna finish wrapping the driver's side, and then all we have to do is the front bumper. My BMW M4 custom front bumper for the Civic. It's right here, so we're gonna do a quick light sand on it before we wrap this. This was kind of easy to wrap from the first time, but it was with Avery, so using calendar film is a little bit more harder than the basic normal Avery 3M. So this is gonna be done, so probably get done next Sunday, and we're gonna wrap this up, get this on the road. I need to get some new tail lights. Yep, finish the wheels up. We might retrofit the tail lights, you know, add some engraving, maybe some tribal acrylic, frosted acrylic over there. But it's coming together, guys. And I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop down some comments below. That'll help us bring out some more content for you guys to watch, and hopefully bring out some more DIYs to help you guys build your cars, as we do not like to pay shops to do our cars unless it's like some interior work. But we'll see you guys on the next episode. We out.